When summer arrives, an above-ground pool can completely transform your backyard, giving family and friends a place to relax without the cost and commitment of an in-ground installation. But not every pool offers the same level of durability, filtration, or long-term value. In this countdown, we're looking at 6 of the best above-ground pools available today, comparing their build quality, features, and overall performance to help you choose the right one for your space and budget. Starting our list is the Intex Easy Set pool, a model that's ideal for first-time pool owners or anyone looking for a simple seasonal setup. Unlike traditional frame pools, this design uses an inflatable top ring that rises as the pool fills with water, allowing you to have it ready much faster than steel frame alternatives. It includes an electric cartridge filter pump to help keep the water circulating, and it's commonly available in sizes ranging from 10 to 15 feet with depths between 30 and 48 inches. The biggest advantage here is convenience. There's no complicated assembly, no large collection of metal parts, and when the swimming season is over, the pool is easy to drain, fold, and store. It's also one of the most affordable ways to enjoy a backyard pool. The trade-off is durability. Because it relies on an inflatable ring instead of a rigid frame, it isn't designed for heavy, long-term use, and you'll need to keep an eye on air pressure throughout the season. For families wanting an inexpensive, beginner-friendly option, though, it remains an excellent choice. Typical selling prices range from around $90 to $350. If your backyard is longer than it is wide, the Intex rectangular frame pool set deserves a close look. Its rectangular layout makes better use of available space than many round pools, while also creating a more practical swimming area for games, laps, or simply stretching out in the water. The pool features a sturdy steel frame combined with Intex's super tough puncture-resistant liner and includes an electric filter pump for basic water circulation. Depending on the version you choose, depths generally range from 30 to 48 inches, making it suitable for both children and adults. Compared with the Easy Set pool, this model provides a much more stable structure and greater durability. Assembly takes a little longer, but the result is a pool that feels considerably more solid throughout the season. Its entry-level filtration system isn't as advanced as the higher-ranked models, and water capacity is naturally lower than larger premium pools. Even so, for homeowners with limited yard space who still want a dependable frame pool, it's an outstanding value. Expect typical prices between $120 and $650. Taking fourth place is the Intex Prism Frame Premium Pool Set, one of the best mid-range above-ground pools available. It offers a noticeable upgrade over standard entry-level frame pools without moving into premium pricing. The powder-coated steel frame provides excellent stability, while the super tough puncture-resistant liner helps the pool stand up to years of seasonal use. Most packages include an electric cartridge filter pump, and larger versions often come with a ladder, ground cloth, and protective cover. Available sizes generally range from 10 to 18 feet with water depths up to 48 inches. This model earns its position because it strikes a great balance between durability, performance, and affordability. The frame feels stronger than many basic pools, installation is relatively straightforward, and replacement parts are widely available. The only notable drawback is the cartridge filtration system, which requires more regular maintenance than the sand filter found on higher-end pools. It also isn't built quite as heavily as the Ultra XTR. For families wanting premium quality without spending premium money, it's an excellent choice. Typical prices range from $350 to $900. Our third pick is the Bestway Steel Pro Max Pool Set, a model that has become extremely popular because it combines durability, easy installation, and attractive pricing. The pool features a rust-resistant steel frame supported by Bestway's Frame Link connector system, helping create a stable structure while reducing metal-on-metal wear. The DuraPlus triple-layer liner improves puncture resistance, and the included electric filter pump keeps water circulating throughout the swimming season. Depending on the size selected, pool heights generally range from 33 to 48 inches. One of this pool's biggest strengths is how approachable it is for new pool owners. Setup is relatively simple, Maintenance is straightforward, and the overall construction inspires confidence without requiring the larger investment of premium models. There are a few compromises. Some packages don't include a ladder, and the supplied filter pump is smaller than those included with more expensive pools. Even so, the combination of quality, reliability, and affordability makes this one of the strongest values available today. Typical selling prices fall between $250 and $700. Just missing the top spot is the Bestway Power Steel Pool Set. This model offers many of the premium features buyers want while remaining more affordable than the highest-ranked option. Its corrosion-resistant steel frame is paired with Bestway's Tri-Tech 3-layer reinforced liner for improved durability. Most packages include an electric filter pump, ladder, cover, and the company's ChemConnect chemical dispenser, which helps distribute chlorine more evenly throughout the pool. It's available in a wide range of sizes, from roughly 14 feet to over 24 feet, with water depths reaching 52 inches. This pool stands out because it delivers a premium ownership experience without carrying the premium price tag. The construction feels solid, maintenance is manageable, and larger versions provide plenty of room for families and entertaining guests. Assembly does require several hours, and depending on the package, the included pump may leave some owners wanting stronger filtration. Still, compared with most similarly priced competitors, it offers outstanding overall value. Typical prices range from $700 to $1,700. Claiming the top position is the Intex Ultra XTR Frame Pool Set. For homeowners looking for the closest thing to an in-ground swimming experience without the permanent construction, this is the model that consistently stands out. Everything about the Ultra XTR is built for long-term performance. The premium galvanized steel frame receives protective powder coating inside and out to resist corrosion, while the 3-ply puncture-resistant liner adds exceptional durability. Unlike many competitors that rely on cartridge filtration, this model includes an electric crystal-clear sand filter pump, offering stronger filtration with lower long-term maintenance. Most packages also include a safety ladder, ground cloth, and protective cover, and the system is compatible with saltwater sanitizing equipment. Multiple round and rectangular sizes are available, with water depths around 52 inches. Its excellent filtration, impressive durability, spacious swimming area, and complete accessory package make it the strongest overall performer in this category. The only downsides are its higher purchase price, longer installation time, and the need for a perfectly level surface before setup begins. However, for buyers planning to enjoy an above-ground pool for many summers, those extra steps are well worth it. Typical selling prices range from $1,300 to $2,600. That wraps up our list of the 6 best above-ground pools. The right choice ultimately depends on your budget, available backyard space, and how long you plan to keep the pool in service. If one of these models fits what you're looking for, check the links in the description for current pricing and additional details. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.